Are you putting all your energy into social media, hoping algorithms will send you customers? What if I told you that strategy is putting your entire online business at risk? The real secret to long-term stability and growth online isn't building followers you don't own. It's building an asset you control. If you want to stop relying on social and understand the foundational skill of email marketing basics, stick around. I'll show you how to start building your email list free today. So many new entrepreneurs spend hours on social media only to lose access to their audience when platforms change the rules. They haven't grasped the fundamental difference. Social media is rented land. Your email list is your owned asset. Learning email marketing basics for beginners is non-negotiable if you want control and direct access to your potential customers. Imagine this. You have a direct line to people who want to hear from you anytime you want to reach them. No algorithms, no gatekeepers. That's the power of owning your email list. And you can start building your list free today. How do you dive into email marketing basics and get started right now? It's simpler than you think. First, choose a reliable email marketing platform that offers a free plan. There are great options. Second, create a simple, compelling reason for people to sign up, often called a lead magnet, like a quick checklist or guide related to what you offer. Third, put a sign-up form on your website or landing page where people can easily join your list. Focusing on these email marketing basics lets you stop relying on social alone and start building a direct connection with your audience, creating a vital asset for your business. Ready to stop relying on social and master email marketing basics for beginners so you can build your list free. Check out my other videos for detailed guides on how to start email list for free and more email marketing tips for beginners.